Hello, this is Mike with MatterFix.io, and in conjunction with rolling out our repair service for the Pro3 cameras, we're very close to being able to offer in-warranty and out-of-warranty repairs for the Pro3 cameras. So in conjunction with that, we're going to be doing some videos that talk about problems you might have with the Pro3, deciding whether or not you need to send it in for repair. And one of the most common problems that we get asked about is, hey, my camera's making a lot of noise. What do I do? Do I need to send it in? Can I keep on using it? And so we're going to cover that today. And so the noise that we're talking about is created by the spinning of the Lidar mirror. This is the mirror. The Lidar beams come out, hit this mirror, go out to an object, come back, and are red for the positioning. And this mirror spins at about 2,500 RPM. So as you can imagine, something spinning that fast, you know, if it gets a little bit out of balance or something, that can cause a problem. And that's basically where the noise comes from. I've got four little video segments, 4 different cameras. The first 2 are going to be have a sound that's acceptable. The first one is brand new, or exactly like it should sound when it comes out of the box from the factory. The second one has a little bit of noise, but it's still perfectly fine to use. And then the third and the fourth one are examples of it getting worse and worse. So the third one, you can definitely hear a distinct difference. We would not recommend using the camera that's in that condition. Then obviously the fourth one is bad. You shouldn't use that camera at all. So we're going to go through that here in a minute. We'll play each of the 4 segments, and I'll talk a little bit before about what you're hearing and what the difference is. Okay, now we're going to play the 4 videos I described to you. One is perfect camera, one is slightly noisy, the third one is noisy to the point where the camera needs to be serviced, and the fourth one is do not use, stop immediately. So this first video, you're going to hear it's just a whisper sound, very quiet. If you're very far away from the camera, you really can't even hear it. This is ideally how your camera should sound. Okay, so you heard that one. Now, the next one you're going to hear, this camera is perfectly acceptable to use, but you will notice that the whisper sound is slightly louder. But this is fine to use. It still is just a whisper. It's just louder. You don't hear any clanking or chattering or knocking. So this one is good. You hear it now. Okay, now those first 2 were good. This third one is bad. What you're going to notice when the video plays, you have a louder whisper, but you also can hear like a vibrating or clacking kind of sound start to come through in the background. And that's because chances are, well, I know for a fact of that one, you could grab on either side of that Lidar motor, and you could pick up on the mirror holder here, and you could feel a very slight amount of play in it. And that play is what causes this sound. That means it's out of balance, and you should not be operating a camera like this. If you're on a job and it starts to do this, you're okay to finish the job with this one, but you really shouldn't continue on after that day. You should get the camera serviced. Okay, now the fourth one and the last one. This one sounds horrible. This one, the motor was, the shaft was very loose. You could noticeably feel when you picked up that it was loose. It's vibrating. This thing is rotating at 2,500 RPMs. It's really not even safe to be using the camera when it's out of balance and spinning at those RPMs. And you'll definitely hear there's a lot more of that clacking or knocking sound in addition to the louder just overall sound to it. When it starts to do that, if you're hearing that at all, that camera needs to be serviced. I would stop using it immediately. Okay, that wraps up our first video going over problems that you can encounter with noise coming from the VDrive. What's acceptable, what's not acceptable. And at MatterFix.io, we're getting very close to rolling out our Pro3 repair service. We will be able to do in-warranty repairs and out-of-warranty repairs. And when we get fully set up, we'll be able to do same-day repairs. So if you send your camera into us via UPS, we get it early enough in the day and we know it's coming, we'll be able to repair that camera and have it ready to ship back out to you that same day. So don't forget, you got any issues, email us, hit us up on Facebook, give me a call, and we'll take care of you. Thanks.